Hey, what's up YouTube? So I'm making a video. This video is going to go into right turns. I made a video previously covering, how to make left turns, and specifically, you go out in the middle of the lane and use your mirror. The right turns are very similar in that you use the mirror, but it's a lot tighter than left turns, right? So I'm gonna make a right turn here. So you see, we're gonna go up and we're gonna stay closer to the right, and you turn in. You're using your mirror just the same. You gotta make sure your mirror is past the curb, and then turn all the way, and you straighten up when you get back into your lane. Unlike the left turns where you go out in the middle of the road, on the right turns, you definitely have to make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. If you turn before the mirror is past the curb, then your back wheel will hit the curb. Like for instance, we're coming up to this curb right here. I know you can see that. See, when my mirror is up past the curb like that, I will turn all the way and then go around. And then my back wheel will not touch the curb. Okay? Again, you always have to make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn. I'm going to make a right turn here again. The right turns are tighter. Left turns, you go out in the middle of the road, make sure your mirror is out in the middle, and then turn. Right turns, you have to make sure your mirror is past the curb, and then turn. Make the turns are a lot tighter. So here I'm going out in this right lane, so you turn all the way and then straighten up in the right lane. Alright, I'm gonna go down to Atlantic, and then I'm gonna make a right turn again, just to show you, right turn. Right turns, like I say, they're a lot tighter, but it's really not that big a deal. It's a lot tighter than left turn, but you still have to. Alright, I'm gonna make a right turn here into this warehouse complex. So again, you're gonna come down and you're gonna make sure your mirror is past the curb, and then turn tight to keep it in your lane. You're gonna turn here again. And again, when you turn in, you have to make sure the mirror is past, and then turn tight enough to get you into the right lane. Because you have to be able to go around the corner and stay within your lane. You don't want to go around the corner and end up in the other people's lane. So again, we're going to see the curb here. You're going to turn tight enough to keep you in your lane, but not enough to make your back wheel go over the curb. You know what I mean? So it's tighter, much tighter than the left turns. You have to do it so your back wheel does not hit the curb. If you turn too early, like see this curb here, if I start to turn now, my back wheel will definitely hit the curb. So I have to go over until my mirror here. See, the mirror is past the curb, and then I turn. I can turn all the way right from here, and then my back wheel will not hit the curb. You see what I'm saying? My back wheel will go right past the curb as long as I make sure my mirror is past the curb first. Okay, so that is my tip on how to make right turns. I hope that's been helpful. I am going to ask you again, as usual, to please continue to support the channel. Please hit that like button, press the notification bell, and continue to support. Please subscribe and continue to support the channel. Alright, see you in the next one. Thank you.